Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Specific heat experiments require a solid that stays solid in water. We need to find which substance works for this calorimeter setup right now. The experimental technique relies on the substance remaining solid while submerged in water. If the material dissolves, the heat of solution will interfere with our specific heat capacity measurements entirely. If the substance dissolves, the temperature change reflects both heat transfer and chemical energy. We must choose an insoluble material to ensure we are only measuring the thermal energy exchange accurately. NaCl, KNO3, and ammonium sulfate are soluble salts. Silicon dioxide is insoluble in water, making option D the only valid choice for this experiment.
Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.